Let's fix this. Get some string, a big needle, a screw, and your button. Tie the string around your screw. Get your string to go through the needle. Some stools have a hole right below. If not, you'll have to drill one. It'll be in the wood, so you have to feel for it. There is one right here. Stick your needle through. This goes in through the left, this goes in through the right. Now just pull it tight. The tighter you pull, the further down this goes. Make a square knot and clip off the ends and you're done.